low carb, and keto. Basic difference is paleo diet is a diet that is meant to mimic the foods that were eaten by early humans in the Paleolithic era. So this is pre-agricultural revolution. So you're talking about lots of whole natural foods, including things like meat, fish, eggs, seeds, fruits, vegetables, oils that were available, but avoiding processed foods like grains and sugars and things that were not available to our Paleolithic ancestors. Low carb is just a carbohydrate restricted diet that typically doesn't also induce a state of ketosis. So most people need to reduce carbohydrates pretty significantly in order to induce a state of ketosis. Generally, that's considered maybe less than 50 grams total of carbohydrates a day, or less than 25 net grams of carbohydrates a day. But it really depends on the individual. Some people can eat a fair amount of carbohydrate and protein. Protein can also affect how quickly you can get into ketosis. Young, athletic people who you exercise a lot, have a lot of skeletal muscle, will burn up those carbohydrates really quickly, and then you might see a keto adaptation process at a much higher level of carbohydrates. Some people might take very severe carbohydrate restriction to actually enter a state of ketosis. It's all individual. So again, this is why it's really important for you to know what's going on with your body. If you're doing something like this, it's really important to be monitoring it, working with a healthcare professional that can monitor and help you along the way, someone who's knowledgeable about ketogenic diets.